Congratulations for finishing Module 1. Now you know what version control is and have all necessary skills which you need in work environment. You know how to interact with system and Docker, so you can deploy a really complicated stack in your local environment. Docker indeed vital for learning and testing. It will help you a lot to learn new technologies. With few commands you can spin up database like Postgres or object storage like MinIO and play with that. The most important, now you know programming language, so you can implement any necessary algorithm and glue together different technologies. Last but not least, now you have better communication and verbal skills, which will help you in any work environment. Congratulations for finishing Module 2. I'm really happy that you reached so far. I know that this was hard, but you made it. Now you know most important technologies for data engineers. You know what is database and basic concepts, how they are working. You know how to interact with them with SQL and programmatically. Also now you have better communication skills and more ready for work environment. Congratulations for finishing Module 3. You can be proud of you for reaching so far. Now you know what is cloud computing and have enough knowledge about agile methodology. Hope you have enjoyed project and write it during one spring course. Now we are officially have yellow belt of data engineering. You can consider yourself junior Python software developer or data engineer at this point. And finally, you are ready for next advanced green belt of data engineering. Hope to see you soon.